What's up, guys? Long time no talk. Been busy as hell as usual, unfortunately. So I'm trying to get my YouTube channel back up. I need some suggestions, something to, I don't know, rile up a few people or something, maybe challenges or some nonsense like that. I haven't had the success I used to, unfortunately, after my old account got shut down. So if you do me a favor and help me out, that'd be pretty friggin' awesome. Um, it's pretty much it. Right now, I'm just kind of chilling at the bar, enjoying myself a little bit just before I go to work. So anyway, yeah, that's what I'm doing. It's joyous. Anyway, one second. Sorry. Okay. So yeah, this is my bar. Yeah. Yeah, that's my bar. This is where I go, just chill, relax, um, enjoy my time doing whatever it is I do. Most of the time, I used to go and do lots of crazy stunts and stupid stuff for everybody, but yeah, haven't had any suggestions recently, and I can't find any of my old videos anywhere. I mean, none of my cliff jumping, nothing with my buddies, nothing. It's kind of a bummer. So, if you could definitely throw some suggestions, I'm gonna try to post this everywhere, and its mom. But yeah, please help me get started once again and throw me some suggestions, throw me some ideas, throw me something stupid to do. I don't really care. Just hook me up with some ideas, guys, and well, as I consistently say, stay fluffy. And no, I'm not editing this again. I'm going straight shot. So, see you guys soon. Let me know what's up. Later. I can't find a stop button. Oh, I found it.